Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple and easy 5-petal flower. So friends, for this project, I am using a 3-ply cotton yarn and a 1.75 millimeter steel crochet hook. So leave a long yarn tail to join the bead and wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook. After making a magic ring, start your first row with chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. This is our second double crochet stitch after chain 3. Now wrap the yarn again and pull through magic ring, pull through first 2 loops and then second 2 loops. This is our double crochet 3. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 4. So continue this pattern and make 15 double crochet stitches including chain 3. So friends, I have completed my 15 double crochet stitches including chain 3. Now pull the starting yarn tail to tighten in the circle. And to finish this first row, go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. After finishing the first row, for the second row, make chain 4. After making chain 4, wrap the yarn 3 times like this. Go into this second double crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops and then pull through third 2 loops and then pull through fourth 2 loops. This is our double treble crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn 3 times again, go into this same double crochet stitch again, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops, pull through third 2 loops and then pull through fourth 2 loops. Now wrap the yarn 3 times again, go into the same stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, then second 2 loops, then third 2 loops and then fourth 2 loops. So we have made 3 double treble crochet stitches into the same second stitch. Now make chain 4 and go into this back ridge of first chain. These are our front 2 loops. Go into this back ridge of our first chain and pull the yarn and make a slip stitch here. Now wrap the yarn 3 times again, go into this third double crochet stitch, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops, then second 2 loops, then third 2 loops and then fourth 2 loops. Now repeat the same pattern for second double treble crochet stitch into the same stitch and repeat the same pattern for third increased double treble crochet stitch. So we have made 3 double treble crochet stitches into our third double crochet stitch. Now make chain 4 as we have done in the start. Go into the next fourth double crochet stitch, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. This is our first petal. Now for the second petal, again make chain 4. After making chain 4, wrap the yarn 3 times again to make a double treble crochet stitch. Go into the next stitch and pull the yarn through first 2 loops, then second 2 loops, then third 2 loops, and then fourth 2 loops. Repeat the same pattern for second stitch. Wrap the yarn 3 times, go into the same stitch and pull the yarn and repeat the same pattern of pulling the yarn through 2 loops 4 times, and again make a third double treble crochet stitch. Now make chain 4. After making chain 4, go into this back ridge of first chain, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now again make 3 double treble crochet stitch into the next double crochet stitch. I hope you guys can understand how to make a double treble crochet stitch 3 times into the same stitch. So this is third time. Now make chain 4 again. After making chain 4, go into the next double crochet stitch here and make a single crochet stitch by pulling the yarn through 2 loops. Now repeat the same pattern for next 3 petals as well. So friends, I have completed my petals. After the last single crochet stitch, go into this starting chain here, pull the yarn and make a slip stitch and cut it off. Now with the help of this starting yarn, join a bead in the center of flower. I will show you how to join a bead. I am using a small bead. So join this bead to the center of our flower. Make sure to join your bead tightly, and after joining it, go to the back side and first of all make a knot here. To secure your work, make a tight knot. You can make 2 knots as well. And after making a knot, weave this extra yarn to these double crochet stitches from the back side. To secure your work and cut the extra yarn, weave this ending yarn tail by repeating the same pattern. So this is the final look of our simple and easy 5-petal flower. You can use it in different crochet project. So must try it. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in prayers. Allah Hafiz.